Greetings, Giggle Gurus! Welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for the most side-splitting construction chaos. We've combed through social media to find clips so funny you'll wonder if the worksite was secretly a sitcom set. From scaffolding slip-ups to cement mixers with a flair for drama, we've got the lot. Tune in daily for fresh videos, subscribe, and share your own wild stories below. Let's kick off the laughs.
Funny construction. When I tried doing house chores but failed. Share it right away for everyone to laugh. Look on humor in construction. Houses has never been this fun. Look on humor in construction. Want to watch it again to catch all the funny moments. An unconventional method, indeed. Or comedian, can't tell the difference. Want to watch it again to catch all the funny moments. Or comedian, can't tell the difference. See this resume? Learn stand-up comedy. Roles in a construction comedy. Or laugh out loud.
Yo, you chuckle crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
Sitcom episode for construction lovers. Want to watch it again to catch all the funny moments. Houses has never been this fun. Construction. For the game Build House or Laugh Out Loud. Learn stand-up comedy. Roles in a construction comedy. Funny construction. Builders
That's
think
the end of this
they're
party.
brilliant architects.
Hope you laughed so hard you scared your dog. Thanks for watching. 7 p.m. daily. Don't miss it.
Building